desire is to make the party a really happy event for these poor children, an event which they will carry in their memories for a very long time. Many of the important businessmen and tradesmen of the town have already offered their help, but we need your help also, full stop. Will you send something, however small in amount, towards the cost of the party, write to Mr. J.M. Reed, 27 New Market Street, marking your letter, Poor Children's Party. By doing so, you will bring pleasure and happiness into lives which from day to day know too little of both, full stop. We are sure that you will like the thought of starting the new year with the best wishes of the 600 small children you have helped, full stop. How many people present themselves at the door of each day, if we consider the question from the point of view of the woman of the house, full stop, we find that only too often during the course of the day is she expected to leave whatever she may be doing to answer the door, generally to be offered something in which she is not interested, for which she has no use, or for which she has not the money to pay, full stop. But what of the men who make these calls, calls which to the woman of the house merely mean the forced and not important break in her work of running the house, to the men these calls are not a break in their work, they are very questions, two sides of it, full stop. Let us now look at it from the other point of view, and ask ourselves, full stop, at how many houses does any one of these men call, only to be met either or 9 times out of 10 with the two well-known play, no thank you, not today, he will hear these words over and over again throughout the day, 6 days a week, and upon hearing them, he will perhaps try to change the mind of the person speaking, but he cannot. He must, with good nature, say, well, thank you, and good morning, and turn hopefully to the next house, where there may be a less strong will or a less hard here, full stop. Why does B put himself to so much trouble, the work is hard, he often carries a heavy case as he goes from door to